Hey, it's Andrew from Spec Bug Moto here, and just in the garage, working on the 350 here. Figured that I would go ahead and replace this little oil pump idler gear. Some people said that there were some failures with these. They updated the part. Figured for 20 bucks or whatever, it's worth it to replace it. I don't think it's actually an issue. You can actually look in here. Let's see if we get a good view of that there. Yeah, you see that one? Way that guy in there. They went from what I believe a standard nylon to a glass-filled nylon, but this one's fine, no issues. I mean, 3,000 miles, nothing. But figured may as well do it, get it done, get it over with. I was gonna do the kickstart thing when I was doing this, but honestly, there's part of me that just goes 250 bucks. For the likelihood that I'll have a battery fail, I'm not really worth it. So I'll say screw it to that. Just get this in, get this done. Got the whole workbench of stuff going here. All that stuff there's got to go back on. And then yeah, we'll be ready to ride here again. So we'll be getting to the indoor a little bit and then rocking and rolling. So that is the good fun here. But yeah, bike so far still looks pretty good. Everything's all peachy. I'm gonna get the fork rebuild kit on hand just so when a seal does go, I can quickly replace that. But yeah, that's about it. God's Chariot. You just can't go wrong. All right, later.